Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This classic 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house is located in the quiet, affluent hills of Spring Valley with a captivating and panoramic ocean view of St. Mary's blue waters. This property is suitable for investment or living purposes. This 3-story property has spacious living and dining areas, multiple balconies to enjoy the magnificent views. Resting on a 1/4 acre of fertile land, this property has breadfruit, mango, custard apple, avocado, ackee, June plum, and jackfruit trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $92.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.